What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Young Ooze. I am here with another fire review, man. Got the Zebras Yeezy V2 350s, man. Let's get into it. This is the unboxing. Shit right here, man. You know, I was unfortunate to get this, man. These shoes are really limited, man. Only four stores in America got them, and 3 stores in Canada.
Let's get into it, man.
Here we got the box. You know, they got the boost on the side, 350 on the top, ADIDAS.com / Kanye West, blank side, and this is the authentic tape, man. Zoom into that real quick. You know, black, see black, red. Let's get into the shoe, man. Here we go. We got these amazing, beautiful babies right here, man. They're the Zebras, man. Let's get into it, bro. All right, get in on that. We got the prime net going down the shoe. Same stitching on the other core blacks. You know, the laces are a little, it's a different white from the actual stripe, as you can see. And then the midsole is actually beautiful. It's a different white too. I like what they did with it because it's sort of, I wouldn't say see-through, but probably like translucent. Yeah. And the insole got the ADIDAS Yeezys. Again, they have the pull tab, the stitching in the back. They got the same white stripe that was on the core blacks. Supply V350. All right, the heels on the shoe is a little different this time. I never seen this before, but I like what they're doing with it. It's a yellow creamish color on a part of the heel that runs to the bottom of the shoe. So the bottom of the shoe is different from the midsole. It's like a different color. Yellowish, creamish, sort of a white color. The tag, same thing, single tag, you know. Got the 3 stripes inside the shoe. And what can I say? I'm gonna give y'all some fire visuals.